Hi, and welcome to English 1101 College Writing. My name is Erin Adair-Hodges, and I will be your instructor for this term here at CNM. A couple things to get us started. I wanted you to, one, see my face so that you understand there's a person on the other side of the computer, which is true for everything that we'll be writing. You're always writing for audience. And part of understanding that is one of the key components of college writing, understanding the writing situation. In order to ensure your success in the course, I wanted to just quickly go over a few things before we dig into the material. One is that online classes are especially great choices for students who are technologically savvy, self-motivated, and organized. If one of those components isn't your strong suit, that doesn't mean you can't succeed, but it does mean that you'll need to pay careful attention to how you meet the needs of the class. So if you have in the past struggled with organization, you'll want to start from the beginning really paying attention to how can I stay on top of my assignments and my workload. In order to do that, the best thing you can do is to read the syllabus immediately, print it up, post it somewhere, carry it with you, highlight it, put the due dates in your phone or your calendar, whatever you use to stay organized. You'll also want to take a few minutes to go through the course and just check out the layout, check out what's going to be expected, not just in week one, but all the weeks to come. That way that nothing's a surprise, and you can begin to organize your semester from week one, looking at when major assignments are due, scheduling a little bit extra time, things like that. The expected workload will vary depending on the length of the semester. Our semester is 8 weeks because it's a summer course and an accelerated summer course. That means that we have all of the assignments and the material of a regular semester, but in a condensed amount of time. So that means that you will need approximately 9 to 12 hours a week to work on the course. We usually figure that by if it's a 3-credit course, there's 3 credits in class, 3 credits outside of class preparing. So that's 6 credits for a regular semester. So you double that roughly. Again, we're looking at approaching even 12 hours. So look at your week, look at your workload, look at your family responsibilities, your caretaking, your hobbies, whatever you need to attend to, and figure out how to make sure that you meet the needs of the course. Lastly, I communicate with you a lot through announcements, which will go out to your CNM email as well as being posted on our CNM Learn page. So make sure that you are checking your CNM email, again, for a short class almost daily. Please don't use your personal email address to communicate with me because sometimes that will go to spam. I understand that you might have a personal email, a work email, and a school email seems like an additional one to check. But these days professionally, that's still the standard of communication. I have at this point 3 colleges that I'm concurrently working with, as well as a personal and a professional writer email address that I check. So if you can get into a daily habit of a list that you check through, you'll be able to stay on top of the work, communicate with me, and ensure your success for the class. If you have any questions, please reach out. And again, welcome to English 1101 College Writing.